Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure when we can learn and having fun together with drawing. In today's video, we going to draw cashew fruit. So at the first, we need to make it this kind of shape, guys. Right. So now, you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. My baby is ready. Okay. So now we're going to make it something like this. All right. So make it like this. Right. This. Oh no, alright, like this, something like this. Right, something like this. Okay,
It
then
looks like a finger.
yeah, then like this, guys. You can follow like this. Right, you can follow like this. Okay, and then you change the color with this one. So we make like this one, the peanut one over here, like this, from here, like this, then like this. Right, can you try like this first, then like this. All right, nice. Right, and then after that we change the green color. Try to use the green color. All right. Okay. Sorry, I think we need to make a branch first. Okay. Use this branch first, like this, from here. So you can go like this, guys. Right. You try first, like this. Okay. Okay, you can give up. You can? Can. Alright, nice. Then from here, like this. Yeah, connect like this. Okay. Alright, that's great. Alright. Then we change the green color with the green color again. And we make a leaf here, right? So from here you make like this, okay, nice. Then like this, connect like this. Okay, cool. Right, so cool, right? Yeah, it's so cool, guys. So now we're going to give this color together. Okay, let's try to give color together. Use this red. Okay, enjoy your process. Right. Alright, nice. Then this one, change this one. Change this one, make it for this one. Alright, so good. You can say something, okay?
It's like a like of the monster.
Yeah, alright. So can use this this one, right? For the branch over here, for the leaves. You can hold the paper like this, like me. So it's easy. Hey, no. You just block like this. Block first, block first. Block first, everything, block. Right, then come back again to this and go like this one, like this. Okay, nice. Oh, nice. Then last one is use the dark one, from here. So you give a line like this, like this, like this. Okay, from here, like this, and give like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Okay. Alright. I think that's it. Right. Okay, guys. This is the final result of the cashew fruit. Hope you guys learning today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and bye bye. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.